We are looking at task 2 in your assignment, and I'm going to explain the 4 points that are there in that task. So you got a portal frame. I'm going to draw like sort of a portal frame. Now, the portal frame has this structure, which is this kind of truss, and then it's got a column. So I'm going to draw quickly columns on both sides of the portal frame. And now we have a plate. It's not actually how it is, but and we got a bolt here. Okay. Now this column is making a force that is the opposite to this one that wants to fall down. And by doing this, we're causing stress in this bolt. Now, what we have is a similar situation as I explained in video 1 when I was explaining shear, because we got shear stress. And I made this drawing of a screw before. I'm going now to do more like the drawing of a bolt. So now this is the nut, and I have here the okay. So this is the bolt, and I'm going to make the thread. Actually, it probably goes out a little bit here. And this is the bolt. Now, the bolt is holding 2 plates. One is the plate of the truss, and another plate is the plate of the column. Now I'm making the drawing. What's happening here is the weight of the truss here is like pushing down, and this is trying to hold it, which is doing an opposite force to this one, and this is creating in this part here, and I'm going to make it in red. I'm going to make a red line there, and that red line is shear stress. Oh, sorry. What's going to happen there? I don't know. What do you think is going to happen there? Tell me. Make the diagram as I have done. Explain briefly what is a portal frame. Maybe you want to import an image of a portal frame. I write here portal frame. Find that bolted joint. with a bolt. And then show me a diagram like this, with a bolt holding two plates. Tell me what's happening with the forces. This is pulled by G, and this is just a Newtonian physics. Yeah. So you got a force, you got an opposite force acting in the opposite direction and is equal to this one. And then you tell me this, and tell me what is going to be the outcome if this is overstressed. And I can tell you what's going to happen. This is going to either deform, which is already bad, or it's going to break, and it's going to break by shear, which is like I described in video 1 when I was talking about stress, like scissors. This is like the blades of two scissors acting in opposite directions. And this is the answer. I am already giving you the answer. I'm not even explaining, I'm just giving you the answer. But I cannot explain this question without giving you the answer, so I don't know how fair this is. Okay? And that is one question answered correct.